Hello, what's your name?
My name is Candy.
Candy, can you spell your name? Spell your name. Okay, A
And
Candy. Just spell your name.
C A
N
N
D
D
Y.
Y.
Okay. How old are you, Candy?
I'm
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Good. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite pink.
Okay. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy phone.
Okay, thank you. Now look at the picture and then tell me, would you like noodles? Would you like noodles? Yes, please, or no thanks?
Yes, please.
Would you like fries?
Yes, please.
Would you like chicken?
No thanks.
Okay, would you like chicken or pizza? Would you like chicken or pizza?
I would like pizza.
Would you like pizza or bubble tea?
I would like bubble tea.
Would you like bubble tea or noodles?
I would like bubble tea.
Okay, thank you. And now look at the picture and then tell me, what does he like?
He like rice and chicken and milk.
What does she like?
She like rice and noodle.
Does she like cakes?
She
Does she like cakes? Yes or no? Does she like cake?
no.
Yeah, okay, thank you.